A giant tree, bursting with life-saving fruit. The family can eat its fill. For chimps, hands are especially important. Fingers need to be immensely strong for climbing, but at the same time, also dexterous. Capable of delicate grooming, Willow's growing hands are in some ways so very close to ours. But at this stage, we can now see an important difference. Her thumbs. If Willow had a thumb as big as ours, it would get in the way. And that's dangerous when you're swinging 100 feet above the forest floor.